Did you know one doctor spent 60 years cracking only his left hand's knuckles, never his right, just to prove a point? Every single day, left hand only, for 60 years. His name was Dr. Donald Unger, and he was tired of being told knuckle cracking causes arthritis. So he ran the experiment on himself. At the end, both hands were perfectly fine. He won a real science award for it. Here's what I love about that. His stubbornness and his curiosity were the exact same thing. Sometimes the kid who won't let go of a question is doing science without even knowing it. I'm Sparky. Keep asking questions. Friends. Bye.